It's no longer a new thing that smart investors, individuals do not leave their money in the bank. This is because at the end of a period of time, the money keeps depreciating. It's also not a new thing that just 2 weeks ago, Nigerian Bureau of Statistics told us that the inflation rate here in Nigeria has reduced. But does that mean that your money has so much value? No is the answer. So even while you don't want to leave your money in the bank, you look for other ways to grow your wealth and also continue to get passive income as well as get return on investment. And that is why I am bringing this news to you. We have options for you to not just buy a property if you do not want to buy, own a land if you do not want to own. If you want to still invest in real estate, we are offering you an opportunity to do real estate investment from the comfort of your home without lifting a pin. This is what the offer is. You can invest a minimum of 1 million naira and you have opportunity to earn either 29% on your 1 million naira, 45% or even 70% return on your investment if you allow it either for 8 months, 12 months or 18 months. You don't have a maximum amount you can invest. You can invest as much as 500 million depending on what you wish to invest. Next question that might be popping up on your mind is, what do I get if I invest? How sure am I that my investment is safe? What guarantee do you get when you invest your money with AY Buyback Scheme? The first is that you are getting receipt to confirm that you've invested with us. You also get a post-dated check of the amount you've invested as well as the return on investment you get at the maturity date, and you also get a deed of buyback from us. All these 3 legal documents ensures that your investment is safe with us, and you can get capital invested as well as the return on the maturity date either by going to the bank, present your positive check, or you give us a call so that the money can be transferred to the account you presented while filling the form. Now, not just investing in something that is not true, we are investing in real estate. What AY Home does with the money that you as well as other investors and buyers has invested is that we use it to acquire properties, or even the properties we've acquired over time, we use it to develop them, put up top-notch infrastructures, and this makes the property value to appreciate. So while we're selling off, we are paying you back not just the capital invested, but the return on investment. So if you're interested, I know you would want to get more detailed information on how you can get started. I'll be available to give you any other detail you need in order to start this investment now. Remember, your 1 million naira today, looking at the inflation rate, the purchasing power of that money is reduced. But when you invest this money with us, the value of that money has increased by 45% or even 70%, depending on how long you are willing to keep this money. So feel free to reach out to me. I'll give you all the details you need so that you can start this investment today and be able to get your return on investment at the maturity date.